everybody should have a primary care physician. So people should not stay away from doctors. Yes, I would love if people stay away from cardiologists, but not from internal medicine doctors, because prevention is better than cure. There are specific preventive measures that can be instituted way in advance to prevent development of disease. There are screening methods for cancers that can be spotted before they become a problem. They can be curable at that stage. And there are specific guidelines from the United States Preventive Services Task Force, for instance, that give us information on what to screen for, etc. So do not stay away from your internist. But yes, how to stay away from the cardiologist? Regular exercise, based on what the American Heart Association suggests. 30 minutes of brisk walking, 5 to 7 days a week. And by brisk, I mean walk fast enough so that it's hard to keep a conversation. If you can do that, that's the cardiovascular fitness that you need to ward off serious illnesses. And because it's been shown in a lot of research that exercise is always good. The second thing I would say is to make sure that you don't become a diabetic without you knowing about it. Picking things up early, especially diagnosing pre-diabetes, is important, because in most situations, people who get diagnosed with diabetes have been diabetic for a few years before that, and that's when damage starts happening. The third thing would be high blood pressure. It's absolutely important to make sure that you don't become hypertensive, because a lot of cardiovascular disease is related directly to blood pressure. There's a large proportion of the population who are not aware that they are hypertensive, so therefore they're not being treated. And then they develop complications as a result of it. And those complications tend to be cardiovascular complications. So the three things would be exercise, don't become a diabetic, or at least find out if you are one, and make sure that you don't have problems due to blood pressure because you didn't know that you have high blood pressure. Last but not the least, it's absolutely important not to smoke. There's far-reaching implications and damage that smoking can do. Even one cigarette, in my opinion, is bad.